What's going on, guys? It's me, Ray, with Kickstands Up 99, coming at you with another video. It is Saturday, and I had to work on a Saturday. Oh well, there are worse things. But I'm almost done, wrapping it up right now. So on today's agenda, we are gonna go put an order in for a rear tire. I'm starting to, yeah, there's the wear bar, we're there. Starting to get that pancake shape. So I'm gonna go put that in, put the order in. Hopefully they'll get it in next week. I can put the tire on. But I also want to get a new chain, rear sprocket, front sprocket, and then a few other little things. That's the plan for next week, but I got to order all the stuff. So I'm going to go do that, and then my boy Brian says there's a car show somewhere on Riverside, so I'm going to try and find him, and maybe we'll go cruise, check it out together. That's later on today, so yeah, that's the plan for today. So enough yakking, let me finish up what I got to do here at work, and then we'll get after it. Alright, well, just got over here to the tire shop, just ordered my rear tire, and the total for that bad boy is gonna be bink. Now that's with the tire being ordered and them taking it off and putting the new one on. They all do it here. I just gotta bring it into them. That's it. So yeah, I'm a little early. Brian can't meet up till about 1:30, so I got lucky. I'm gonna go see my son play football, and then I'll catch up with Brian after that. I might actually run out to Riverside Harley. I gotta order some more parts for the bike, so that way we can keep this bad boy up and running. So let's go to the next spot. Well, I left my son's soccer game. Brian's running late, so I'm actually just down here in Riverside, downtown Riverside. I think the car show's ended, but I'm still gonna walk over and check it out, see what's happening here. Actually, this is the fun part of the car shows. This is when people are leaving and doing burnouts. See if we can't catch someone on camera. Looks nice. Man, this one looks beautiful right here. Wow. That is a beautiful Impala SS. That's a clean Continental right there. That's real nice. Look at this bad boy. Nice Camaro. Ooh, there's cars everywhere out here today, boys. Love the smell of old cars. Check out this bug right here. What is this beast? Interesting. That's cool right there. That is clean. Nice El Camino right here. Look at the bed. Let's check it out. Inside looks clean. Damn, that bed's probably worth more than my whole bike. Nicely done. That Riviera too. I found where all the Volkswagen Bugs and buses are at. Nicely done. Look at this guy too. Look at these buses over here. They got all the windows open. Yeah. What a cool bus. That is awesome. Damn, they got some clean stuff right here. There's a boatload of nice cars, trucks, and bikes out here too, guys. Ford Pinto, y'all. Nice little way to spend your Saturday, walking around checking out old cars. It's a good day. Look at this, guys, right here. Woo. That is beautiful. Clean car. Well, guys, I'm gonna pretty much wrap it up here on that note. I'm not gonna go to Harley today. I am running out of steam. I'm tired. I'm gonna go home, relax. Tomorrow is Sunday. Cook's Corner's having the blessing of the bikes. I think me and Brian might go cruise and check that out. So yeah, see what happens. So, all right, guys, we'll catch you in the next one. Be safe out there.